Hi, I just wanted to take a second to show you Loom, which is a free platform that you can use to video yourself while you're showing your screen and while you're annotating on your screen. So you see I've just brought up a fraction chart, and I'm going to use it to teach my students fractions and how they equivalent fractions and how they correspond to decimals. So I just want to show you that I'm able to use the pens on the left hand side and mark on my screen that 1/8 is equal to 2/16, and that a fifth is greater than an eighth. I can make my pen thinner so it doesn't look so thick there. I can show you that a fourth is greater than a fifth, and that a third is greater than a fourth, but that an eighth is less than a fifth. So I can use this for a lot of different things. I can change the color of my pen if I wanted to do something different. So this is just a really great tool that teachers could use to record a video and then upload it into whatever learning management system that they were doing. So I just wanted to show you that this is what Loom is, and hopefully it's something that you could use too.